Daddy,
and
Kittens!
so how long is the train? Is it that long?
Hello.
Hello again. Don't forget your pepper and take care of your belongings. This is the train station. Different name for the train station is railway station. So let's go. But first you have to buy the ticket. Scan the ticket and here we go. Stay close to your parents. Do you know the name of this train?
Yes, Daddy, it's the bullet train.
Yes. So we have our tickets. Our seats are
9A,
and
9C.
okay, so let's look for them. Oh, here we have our numbers 9A and
C.
9C, yes. And here we have a place for the luggage.
Buildings. Factory.
Put away the rubbish, yes. No littering.
Park. Highway.
You cannot run in the train.
River.
Every train has a toilet and a small TV screen for information.
Look, Daddy, train passing by.
Hello guys.
Right. We have another railway station. Another train, yes. Wow. Very, very long, yes.
Stories.
Keep yourself safe and hold handrail.
Fields.
Every train has a fire extinguisher to put out the fire, just in case. Don't forget, don't lean on door and keep hands clear. Okay, let's go. Careful on the gap. That's it for our journey, and don't forget, stay safe.
See you next time.
Bye bye. On the train, there are some places that you cannot get into, like the train operator's cockpit.
Sponsored by IQ English.